As modern day alchemists, we are wealth creators. And therefore today we're going to look at creativity. Are you ready to tap into your inner alchemist and unleash your creative potential? If so, join me as we're going to explore the power of creativity. Welcome to Becoming a Modern Day Alchemist, where we explore the positive human qualities that help us manifest our desires from absolutely nothing. In other words, we can take an idea and we can turn it into whatever we want. Today's topic is the importance of attention and energy in becoming modern day alchemists. And by now we know that everything is energy. And for that reason, we have got the potential and we know how to turn one form of energy into another form of energy. And in the process, we are modern day alchemists or wealth creators. So if you're new, I'm Dreyer, and as a modern day alchemist, I will be your guide for this specific lesson. Creativity is not just for artists or magicians. It is a powerful tool that can be used to solve problems, to think outside the box, and to bring new ideas into life. And this is what we do as alchemists. By embracing creativity, we can become more innovative, more adaptable, and successful in literally all areas of our lives. Creativity is not just about making things look pretty or being able to draw. It is about using imagination to come up with new solutions, new ideas, and perspectives. By tapping into your creative side, you can improve your problem-solving skills, boost your confidence, and even reduce stress. Now, your task for today is take a few moments to do something creative. It can be anything from doodling in a new notebook or writing a poem or try to write a poem to try a new recipe. The key is to let go of any expectation and in the process, just have fun with it. Here's some action steps that you can take to cultivate creativity as a habit. Try setting aside a time each day to engage in a creative activity. This could be as little as 10 minutes or 5 minutes even, but the key is to make it a regular practice. And by the way, all these keys that I'm giving you is to incorporate that on a regular basis so that it becomes part of you. You can also try to exposing yourself to new experiences, new perspectives, and cultures to broaden your creative horizons. Then in the comment section below, that is if you want to, I'll appreciate that. Share something creative that you've done recently or a creative project that you're excited to start. And let's inspire each other to keep the creative energy flowing. And that's why I want you to please post in the comment section. To conclude today's lesson, creativity is not just a talent, it's a mindset. By embracing our creativity, we can unlock our full potential and create a life that is truly our own. So go forth and create, my fellow alchemist. That's the reason why we are wealth creators. Now, as always, remember that your beliefs and your qualities and your skills, that's going to determine your destiny. And the great thing is we can work on those like we're doing right now. But the trick is to go and do these little tasks or assignments that I'm giving you and then incorporate them in your lives, because these are the keys to turn an idea into gold. So thanks for your time, and I'm going to see you in the next lesson.